how to organize files or content in Google Chrome. If you'd like to organize some of the files and content on your Google Chrome browser, what we want to do is first of all launch Google Chrome. Now if you want to keep all of your bookmarks, the websites that you most frequently visit, and all of these settings quite customized and quite manageable, right on the home page this is the interface you will see. Now instead of adding a bookmark at the top, you can create a shortcut towards the center of the screen. For this, click on this icon, which is this pencil icon from the bottom right, and you can see the shortcuts bar. You can select a shortcut from most visited sites, or you can create your own shortcuts by going to My Shortcuts tab. Once you've done that, if you wish to add a shortcut for a particular site, click on Add Shortcut, add the name of the shortcut, the web address bar of the shortcut, and that's the simple way. If you prefer bookmarks instead, from the top you can see all bookmarks. Right click from this bookmarks bar, and first of all, if you have unnecessary bookmark, make sure to delete them. Then click on the Add Page button, and you can simply choose a page and choose one of the bar to where you want to add it, and click on the Save button to save the changes. This way you can organize some of your files and content. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.